Hello again there folks, off for another wild camp. There's my tent set there. You'll probably guess where I am because you can probably hear water. There's all me get ready. Over here from my local tackle shop, Needles Tackle, best tackle shop on the island folks. If you need any gear, well, they got loads of fishing gear and bait and all sorts in there. I got this morning, a little prawn trap. Set that out. And I got 5 of these little collapsible ones as well, off Amazon. £7.99 for 5 of them, so that's not bad. So we'll give them a go later. Supplies for later. Two massive burgers there, viewers. Lovely. 2 bread rolls again. Mandatory bottle of cider. Got my little telescopic rod here. Ideal. Little ding dong bell for the end to detect the bites. So viewers, just got to get all the fishing stuff set, but the tide is on its way out. So I'll wait for low tide and stick the little prawn pots somewhere down along these rocks here. On the edge along there. I think that should be pretty good in there. I've got some paracord to tie them in. Can you guess which beach I'm at? So no clues at the moment. Just film the ocean there. Hello viewers, we'll see you a bit later. Get fishing. Right then viewers, that's all the pots baited up. I've got 6 there, and they're going to go out along in these rocks around here, so I'll go and put those out. this one here, viewers. I think I'll put well, there we are, viewers. Let's hope we catch something in the morning. Well, viewers, now to reveal where I am. Some of you obviously might have guessed already, but we are in Totland Bay. There's the old wreck of the pier. Right over there is the Needles Lighthouse. Around this way there's the broken seawall. So there we are, viewers, that's where I'm camping tonight. And you've got the castle over there in the distance, across the sea. And I've got the mesh tin kettle set up there on the go for a cup of coffee. So we'll see you a bit later, viewers, when the rod's set up there. We're ready to go for later. There's the rod out there now, viewers, fishing. The camera tripod always makes a nice rod rest as well. Bait there. Strips cut up there. So that's nice. A little bit breezy here, viewers, so I'll put a bit of cotton wool over the microphone. Hopefully that might help take that down a bit. Little crabs having a nibble. Last bait was only out about 5 minutes and he nibbled. There we are, viewers. If I catch anything, I'll get it on video for you. All the little prawn pots are in amongst those rocks there now. So, might have some prawns tomorrow. There's the burger there, look viewers, cooking away, delicious. Got another one in there. 2 lovely rolls. Absolutely delicious. I'll be serving them up in 5-10 minutes. That's Dave Isle of Wight there. He's come down to join us for a couple of beers. And he's going to go around to film the wall. Don't fall in, Dave, will you? There he goes. Going to do a little update of the seawall collapse there. There he is. Hey.
Thanks a lot.
About the same, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a bit more of the soil. See the old ladder still there, look.
Oh yeah. Going this way, though. Bit stony ground this is, viewers. The old fire pit.
Has to be done.
Yeah, that'll do.
Walk over to where it was, yeah.
Fire's going lovely now, look viewers. And the wood that I'm burning here is called tamarix. It's a seaside growing plant, this one here, this stuff. Loves it by the sea, the salt air. There's loads of dead of that on here, so right viewers, I've just retrieved the pots, or what I could find of them. Absolutely nothing in this one. Weight's gone, nothing at all. And I could only find this one. 4 of them are in those rocks somewhere. I've looked everywhere, can't see them anywhere. So that's a bit of a failure there viewers, but well, that's fishing for you. And as with the rod, nothing there at all last night either, not even a bite. So that's all I could retrieve viewers, is these two. But never say die, give it a go another time. Hello viewers, another camp. That's where the tent was obviously. Where the fire pit was. All packed up. Ready to trundle off. I haven't got a clue where those pots went to. 4 I've lost there. Can't see them anywhere along the beach, so haven't got the clue. So viewers, till the next camp, and overnighter, I'll see you then.